Hello everybody, I'm Richard Holdner and welcome to Speed Secrets. This episode is brought to you by the guys at Summit Racing. Now we got a really cool cylinder head test for you, and actually it's more of a rematch. Now previously we'd run 706 heads against 241, 317, and 799 heads, all on a 5.3 liter. Now everyone rants and raves about how great those 799 heads are, but on this 5.3, the factory 706 heads made the most power. Now part of the reason for that is the small combustion chamber. Small chamber, more compression, more power, right? But the 706 head didn't have everything going for it. It also had the smallest ports, the smallest valve, and the least amount of flow. Now after posting that test, we got a lot of comments. Hey, you guys need to try that on a larger 6 liter, because we think that the small bore on the 5.3 was shrouding the big valves on the 799 heads. To find out if that's true, we set up a test. We're going to compare the 706 heads to the 799 heads on the larger 6 liter. So let's check out our test motor and jump on the dyno.
6 liter LY6. But we removed the VVT. Then added a healthy comp cam. And naturally a valve spring upgrade. Both heads run with a Dorman intake. And dialed in with a Holley ECU. First up, the 706 heads. Impressive power from those little truck heads. Next up, the 799s. This time they were serious. Check out the difference between the two heads.
Well, the results are in, and it looks like those 799 heads came back swinging. They did indeed make more power than the 706 heads at the very top of the RPM range, by 9 horsepower. But as usual, that doesn't tell the whole story. Because if you look at the power below 5,000, the 706 heads made more torque, by as much as 12 foot-pounds. So the question then becomes, do I want more power above 6,000 or more torque below 5,000? Now that's a question only you guys can answer. I'm Richard Holdner. That's all the time I have. I want to thank the guys at Summit Racing. Join me next time on Speed Secrets.